Hi friends, in this unboxing I am going to present Oswald 100% acrylic wool deep pink yarn. So the thickness of this wool is 4 ply. Let's go on with unboxing of this. So here we go. The color that I ordered was deep pink. It looks exactly like the way I found it online. Oswald is the manufacturing company. I will quickly just see one bundle out of this. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, 15 bundles actually. So this one was costed at 310 rupees online. We can pretty much use this for making for knitting sweaters, arts and craft items. And I remember during my childhood late days, I have seen people making puppets out of this woolen yarns actually. Just to show quickly, let me just quickly see the quality of this bundle. So what they say, whatever things you make out of it, so this is like dyed, so the color is dyed, and they're saying this will whatever things we make, we can even wash them. So this one I'm thinking mostly will be used for knitting, arts and craft products like this. I'll just quickly show some samples. So products like this could be made out of this. Yeah. So Oswald is the brand that is marketing this product. So yeah, that's about it, my friends.